Do you want to make your YouTube videos popular fast? Do you dream of reaching millions of viewers with your content? Then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to delve into the world of YouTube fame, exploring the strategies that can propel your videos into the limelight. From content quality to search engine optimization, consistency and audience engagement, we'll cover it all. So are you ready to turn your YouTube dreams into reality? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to rapid YouTube success. The first and foremost step to achieving YouTube success is creating high-quality content. Now, when we say quality content, we're talking about a lot more than just high-resolution videos or clear audio. Sure, these elements are important, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. Quality content goes deeper. It's about crafting engaging scripts that captivate your viewers, making them want to stick around and see what happens next. But how do you create an engaging script? Well, it starts with knowing your audience, understanding what they like, what they don't like, and what they want to see more of. This will help you come up with topics that resonate with them, topics they'll find interesting. And that leads us to the next crucial element of quality content: well-researched topics. We live in a world where information is just a click away. If you're talking about something, make sure you know your stuff. Do your research, check your facts, and present your findings in an engaging, accessible way. This will not only make your content more informative, but also more credible. Quality content is the foundation of any successful YouTube channel. It's what attracts viewers in the first place, and more importantly, it's what keeps them coming back for more. It's what turns casual viewers into loyal subscribers. So, put in the time and effort to create quality content. Remember, without quality, even the most aggressive marketing strategy will fail. Once you've nailed the quality of your content, it's time to understand the power of SEO. Now, SEO, or search engine optimization, is like the secret sauce that makes your video easily discoverable. It's all about optimizing your video to be picked up by YouTube's algorithm. Let's start with video titles. Your title should be catchy, but also clear and concise. Include keywords that your audience might use when searching for content like yours. But remember, don't just stuff your title with keywords. It should still make sense and entice viewers to click. Next up, descriptions. This is where you can expand on your title and include more detailed keywords. It's also a great place to include links to your social media or any related content. But again, be careful not to overdo it with the keywords. Make it natural and readable. Then, we have tags. Tags are additional keywords that help YouTube understand what your video is about. These should be a mix of general and specific keywords. For instance, if your video is a cooking tutorial for a vegan pizza, you could include tags like cooking, vegan, and pizza. Finally, keywords. These are the words or phrases that people type into search when they're looking for videos. Think about what your audience might search for and make sure those keywords are in your title, description, and tags. Remember, SEO isn't about tricking the algorithm, it's about helping it understand your content so it can find the right audience. SEO is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can skyrocket your YouTube visibility. Now that we've covered content quality and SEO, let's talk about the importance of consistency. Consistency, in the world of YouTube, is like the secret sauce that turns a good channel into a great one. It's the thread that ties together all your videos, creating a cohesive and recognizable brand that viewers can latch onto. Imagine YouTube as a vast ocean teeming with countless channels. In such a sea, how does one channel stand out? The answer is consistency. Regular uploads are a part of this. By maintaining a steady upload schedule, you signal to your viewers that you're committed to your channel and that they can expect new content from you regularly. This creates anticipation and builds a routine around your uploads, which can significantly improve your channel's visibility. But consistency goes beyond just regular uploads. It's also about maintaining a consistent theme or style across all your videos. Whether it's your video editing style, your on-camera persona, or even the way you sign off your videos, these consistent elements become your signature. They set you apart from the crowd and make you instantly recognizable to your viewers. This recognition is crucial. It builds a loyal audience who will not only watch your new videos, but also delve into your older content, boosting your views and watch time. It's like laying down a trail of breadcrumbs that keeps your viewers hooked and coming back for more. Being consistent not only builds your brand, but also keeps your audience coming back for more. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the importance of engaging with your audience. Now, this is where the magic happens, folks. You've created great content, optimized it for search, and maintained a consistent upload schedule. But are you engaging with your audience? Engagement isn't just a one-way street, it's a bustling intersection of interaction between you and your viewers. It's about creating a dialogue, a conversation. Responding to comments is a fantastic way to start. It's quite simple. If someone takes the time to comment on your video, take a moment to reply. It shows that you value their thoughts and appreciate their time. Asking for likes and subscriptions is another way to engage. Don't be shy about it. A friendly reminder can go a long way in increasing those numbers. Remember, every like and subscription is a vote of confidence in your content. And don't forget about creating community posts. They're an excellent way to keep your audience updated, share behind-the-scenes content, or simply start a conversation. It's like having a mini blog right on your channel. Engagement is a powerful tool. It not only boosts your video rankings, but also helps build a loyal audience. People come for the content, but they stay for the community. So, engage, interact, and show your viewers that you're not just a faceless entity, but a real person who values their input and support. Engaging with your audience shows them that you value their support and are eager to build a community. So there you have it, the secrets to making your YouTube videos popular fast. In summary, we've learned that quality content is king. Coupled with effective SEO, it can place your videos in front of the right audience. Consistency in posting also plays a crucial role, keeping your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Lastly, don't forget to engage with your audience. Their feedback can be a goldmine for improvement. Remember, YouTube success doesn't happen overnight, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to achieving it. Thanks for watching.